All right, here's something that just came out of Gallup this spring that I think is worth knowing about before we get into anything else today. A record 55% of Americans, more than half the country, say their financial situation is getting worse. That's the highest number Gallup has recorded since they started asking the question in 2001. Worse than during the Great Recession, worse than during COVID, and it's not just a vague sense of unease. 62% of Americans say they're worried about not having enough money for retirement. And here's the one thing that really stuck with me. 67% of Americans say they are now more afraid of running out of money than they are of dying. More afraid of running out of money than dying. I've been around long enough to remember when that sentence would have sounded like an exaggeration. Now it's a headline from a retirement study. My wife read it to me over breakfast, and I nearly choked on my oatmeal that morning, which ironically would have technically solved the problem. Meanwhile, polls from CBS News, CNN, and Gallup all paint the same picture. The economy is the number one concern on Americans' minds right now, and the outlook is pretty grim regardless of which political team you're rooting for. Just 16% of Americans currently rate the economy as excellent or good. So if you're someone who's been thinking about learning how to protect what you've built, about helping to make sure your retirement savings can actually survive whatever comes next, well, you're not alone. And you're not overreacting. Today we're going to talk about Gold IRAs. Specifically, how to choose a good one, because not all Gold IRA companies are created equal. And if you're going to trust someone with your savings, well, it's worth knowing exactly what to look for. Let's start with the basics. When you're looking for somewhere to live, you don't just pick the first place with a roof on it, right? You look at the neighborhood, the landlord, the lease terms, the condition of the plumbing. You don't want to sign a lease and then discover later on day 3 that the upstairs neighbor runs a bowling league at midnight. When you're buying a car, you're not just buying transportation, you're asking, is this thing actually going to run in 3 years? Is there a warranty? Because I once bought a used car on a handshake from a guy who described it as mostly reliable. Well, it turns out mostly was doing a lot of the heavy lifting in that sentence. Choosing a Gold IRA company deserves the same level of scrutiny, maybe more, because unlike a bad apartment or car that smokes a little, a bad financial partner can affect you for decades. Now, here are 6 things that separate the best from the rest. 1, reputation and actual experience, not just a nice website. The Gold IRA business has grown fast as more Americans have looked to precious metals for a possible source of protection. That growth has brought in a lot of new players, some of whom have been around for 5 minutes and act like they invented the wheel. You know the type, right? They've got a nice logo, a slick website, and the track record of a guy who just found out what gold is last Tuesday. Hey, if you're putting $25,000, $50,000, or $100,000 into a Gold IRA, which many people do by rolling over their existing retirement accounts, you want a company that has been doing this long enough to have earned a track record. Thousands of verified reviews, a real reputation, people who've actually been through the process and would do it again. That's not asking too much. That's just basic due diligence. 2, customer service that doesn't disappear after the sale. There are plenty of companies that will happily take your money, set up your account, and then become mysteriously hard to reach the moment you have a question. You've experienced this before. It's that specific kind of silence where suddenly nobody's picking up and the hold music sounds like it was recorded in 1994. That's irritating when it's the cable company, but it's genuinely unacceptable when it's your retirement savings. The best Gold IRA company should walk you through the entire process. Dedicated specialists, real humans, people who can answer your questions a year from now, not just today. 3, someone who actually helps you with the rollover. Most people who open a Gold IRA aren't writing a brand new check. They're rolling over funds from an existing 401k or IRA. Money they already have in a retirement account somewhere, probably one from a job they left years ago that's just been sitting there on autopilot, possibly in a fund that rhymes with snoring. If you've never done a rollover before, well, it can feel like a lot. There's paperwork, there are custodians, there are deadlines. The IRS has specific rules about how the transfer has to happen to avoid triggering taxes or penalties. Get it wrong, and suddenly you've got a tax bill you did not see coming, which is a terrible surprise, right up there with finding out your waterproof tent isn't. The best companies handle this for you, or at least walk you through every step so you're never left wondering what's happening. The worst ones hand you a phone number and wish you luck. 4 upfront fees, all of them. Before you sign anything, Gold IRAs have costs, annual administration fees, storage fees, insurance. That's normal and expected. Nobody's running a gold vault as a charitable service. What isn't acceptable is finding out about those fees at the end of the process after you've already committed. That's the financial equivalent of getting to the checkout and discovering the price tag was hidden on the bottom of the box. The best Gold IRA companies put the fee structure in front of you early, clearly, and completely. No surprises, no fine print that quietly changes the math. If a company gets vague when you ask about the fees directly, well, that's your answer right there. 5, a solid buyback policy without trapping you. At some point, you'll want to sell, whether that's 5 years from now or 25. You need to know that when the time comes, there's a clear path to getting a fair price without being put on hold for 3 hours and then told somebody will call you back. The best companies offer a buyback program that makes liquidating straightforward. But here's the flip side. The best companies also don't lock you into selling only back to them. That's like buying groceries from a store that makes you sign an agreement promising you'll only ever eat their leftovers. Hey, your money, your gold, your choice of buyer. 6, educational resources, because this should make sense to you. A lot of people considering a Gold IRA for the first time are learning as they go. They're not financial professionals. They just know the economy feels wobbly, their retirement savings feel exposed, and someone mentioned gold and it sounded like it might be worth understanding, which honestly is exactly the right place to start. The best Gold IRA companies meet you there. Guides, articles, plain English explanations of how this all works, not a 400-page PDF that requires a law degree to interpret. Just real information in plain language so you actually understand what you're doing and you feel good about it. That's a reasonable thing to ask for when you're handing over your savings, right? And that's exactly what GoldCo's free Gold and Silver Kit is designed to do. It's a straightforward educational resource, no obligation, no pressure, that explains how gold and silver work inside a retirement account in plain English. If you're new to this, it's the right starting point. Click the link below or call the number on your screen to get your free copy. Now, with all that in mind, here's why GoldCo consistently comes up when people actually research this. GoldCo has over 8,000 5-star reviews from verified customers. That's not a marketing number. That's thousands of real people who went through the process and came out the other side satisfied enough to say so publicly. GoldCo holds an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and received the 2026 Best Customer Service Award from Money.com. Their precious metal specialists work with you from your very first call all the way through to when your gold is purchased and secured, and they stay available after that as well. If you've got a question 6 months from now, there's somebody to call. On Rollovers, GoldCo coordinates directly with your current account custodian, handling the paperwork and making sure the transfer goes through correctly. You don't have to figure out the IRS rules on your own. They've done this thousands of times. GoldCo also offers a competitive buyback program, so when it comes time to sell, you've got a clear, straightforward path, and they don't trap you into selling only back to them. And in terms of education, from their ultimate guide to gold and silver to beginner's guides and dozens of articles, GoldCo has built out a library of resources designed to help you understand exactly what you're doing. Look, here's the bottom line. When over half the country says their finances are getting worse, when 62% of Americans are worried about running out of money in retirement, and when only 16% of people think the economy is in good shape, helping protect what you've built is not paranoia, it's common sense. A Gold IRA is one way to do that, to hold something real, something tangible, something that historically holds its value. But like anything worth doing, it's worth doing with the right partner. GoldCo has placed over $3 billion in precious metals on behalf of its customers, and right now, for those who qualify, they're offering an instant match of up to 10% in bonus silver or gold on qualifying orders. It starts with the free gold and silver kit, no obligation, no pressure. Click the link below or call the number on your screen, because when things feel uncertain, the best move is to get informed and then make a decision you actually feel good about.